Hello guys, welcome back to W-Links Technologies.
Welcome back
We got
to
RGB
W-Links
gaming
Technologies,
headphones
guys.
today. We got about 2,000 pieces in stock. They are
Today we
three
got you
different
another great deal,
models.
hot deal. It's a Gionee hands-free from factory,
Models.
original Gionee hands-free, guys. We are packing and shipping
Right,
today's
guys.
last working day before the
Hello,
national
welcome back to
holidays.
W-Links Technologies, guys. We provide you great Amazon stocks every day. Do join our group and follow our page. We got rechargeable gaming wireless mouse. We got in 4 colors: blue, black, white, and pink. They're beautiful. Alright, guys.
They're
So,
changing
we
7
got,
colors.
A big stock here.
They're 6D gaming mouse.
But I
It's
tell you, today's last
rechargeable
working
wireless
day and
gaming
tomorrow
mouse.
is,
We got about
is day off.
5,000 pieces in stock.
October
2,000 is gone. So we left 3,000.
We have a regular supply.
We got
for
3,000
Gionee
left.
free.
2,000 pieces.
Original, high quality,
guys.
original Gionee
So
hands
the price is
guys.
amazing.
Just
If
welcome
anyone is
to
interested,
order.
do let me know.
Any size of
We are
hat,
based
and,
in
it's RGB
We're based in
and three
Shenzhen,
different
China.
Logos and designs.
So we
This
got
is
4
one,
different
this is
colors.
Welcome
back
to
to
W-Links
Technologies. We
Technologies,
got in
guys.
black, we got in white, and
it is RGB, guys.
and today we got you another great deal.
All
All
right,
right,
Isaac,
thank you very much for your comment. I would like you to inbox me, direct message me. I think you have my
anyone is
WhatsApp.
interested,
I
do
would
let us
give
know,
you the
guys.
pricing day before the national
W-Links
holidays.
Technologies gaming
We got
headphones,
different
gaming
stock here. We
headphones,
got gaming mouse,
RGB
we
gaming
got
headphones,
RGB
gaming
keyboards,
headphones
we got
from
different
W-Links Technologies,
different
Amazon
models
store,
to customers.
factory store. We
All
got,
of them are branded.
we get stock
RGB
every day.
mouse. We got a lot of stuff. I will post all of them one by one, but for now, the deal is on for this wireless
Alright, guys,
gaming
so,
mouse.
we got,
The deal is for
a
this
big
mouse
stock
right
here.
now.
RGB
5,000,
gaming
2,000
headphones.
gone, 3,000 left.
Tell you today's last
working day and
They
5,000
are,
stock, 2,000 gone, 3,000 left, guys.
Tomorrow to
We got in
October 7. We got
4
7
colors.
days off.
This is the blue one,
and
we have a regular
6D
supply for Gionee hands-free. Original high quality, original Gionee hands-free, guys. Equipped with the Android cable, rechargeable charging cable, and these are the packaging. These are the boxes. You got in black, you got in white, you got in pink. Welcome back to. Let me show you in dark, guys. Let me show you in dark again. Please turn off the lights. See the colors in dark again. Deal, hot deal. It's a Gionee hands-free. It's glowing, beautiful, original. They are very attractive, especially at night for internet cafes, for office use, the national holidays. Alright guys, so I will come back to you with another package. For now, stay tuned. Anyone needs wireless gaming mouse, guys, MOQ is 500 pieces. 500 pieces. We got in blue, black, white, and pink.
Three different logos and designs.
Alright guys, so we got a big stock here. You are welcome to order. But I tell you, guys, last working 4 colors, 5,000, 2,000 gone, 3,000 left.
To October 7.
Welcome back to W-Links Technologies, guys. And we have a regular supply
Anyone
for
is
Gionee
interested,
hands-free.
do let us know,
We are
guys.
based in Shenzhen, China. High quality, original Gionee hands-free. Don't have forward. Welcome to have your forwarder. We can forward it to your shipping agent.
RGB gaming headphones.
The price
from
is amazing,
W-Links
guys. If anyone is
Technologies, Amazon
interested,
stock,
write me
factory
in the
store.
inbox.
We get
I will share
stock
my
every
WhatsApp,
day.
my
Welcome
WeChat
back
to W-Links Technologies.
let us
Direct
know if
message
you're
me. We have
interested.
great prices, great quality. It's
Today we
fresh.
got you
It's
another
brand
great
new,
deal.
hot deal. It's never
Gionee
used,
hands-free
from factory.
We got RGB
Original
gaming
Gionee
headphones
hands-free,
today. We got
guys.
about 2,000 pieces in
We are
stock.
packing and
They are
shipping
three
today's last
different
working day
models.
before the national
You can see these
holidays.
three different
Outer look,
the
it's
packing
beautiful,
models.
ongoing process. 1,000 is a master.
Mastercard is of
Outer
cartons
surface is
of
matte.
1,000 pieces.
This
But
one is
according to
white.
customers'
The weight
requirement,
is pretty impressive.
we are trying to have 2,000 in
Right,
our
6D gaming mouse,
combine two
wireless
cartons
recharging to
with
mouse.
green brand new.
Alright guys,
5,000
so we got
pieces
a big stock here. You are welcome to order. But I tell you, today's last working day and tomorrow is day off from tomorrow to
October 7. We got 7 days off.
Alright guys, we have a regular
Goodbye.
supply for Gionee hands-free, original high quality, original Gionee hands-free guys. Welcome to order.
Show the colors
It's brand new.
prominent way.
You can see the inside. This is the strap. This is the headband, adjustable.
Welcome
to
back
any
to
size of
WLinks
hat,
Technologies,
and,
guys.
it's RGB and three
Alright
different
guys, today we got you
logos.
another
Hello,
great deal.
welcome back to
WLinks
Gionee
Technologies, guys. We provide you great Amazon stocks every day.
Gionee hands-free guys.
Do join our group and follow our page. We got rechargeable gaming wireless mouse.
USB pluses.
We got in 4 colors: blue, black, white, and pink. They're
WLinks
beautiful.
Technology is
They're
gaming
changing 7
headset,
colors.
gaming headphones,
They are
RGB
6D
gaming headphones,
gaming mouse,
RGB gaming headphones
rechargeable
from
wireless
WLinks
gaming
Technologies,
mouse.
Amazon
We got
stock,
about
factory stock.
5,000
Alright,
pieces
so,
in
we
stock.
get,
2,000
stock
is
every
gone.
stock here.
So we left
3,000
1,000
order,
interested.
but I
We
tell
got
you,
3,000
today's last
left.
working day, and tomorrow is
2,000 pieces
hello
is
guys,
gone,
day
guys.
off from tomorrow.
So the price is amazing. If anyone is interested, do let me know. And, we are based
have a regular
in
supply for
we're
Gionee
based
hands-free.
in Shenzhen, China.
Original high quality,
So we
original
got
Gionee
4
hands-free
different
guys.
colors.
Welcome to
We got
order.
we got in black, we got in white and pink. All right, Isaac, thank you very much for your comment. I would like you to
Welcome back to
inbox me,
WLinks
direct message me.
Technologies,
I think you have my WhatsApp. I will give you the price.
Today we got you another great deal, hot deal. It's a Gionee hands-free.
We got different
from
stock
factory.
here. We got gaming
Original
mouse, we
Gionee
got
hands-free
gaming
guys.
HP gaming
We are
keyboards. We
packing
got
and
different.
shipping today's
We
last
got different
working day
models.
before the national holidays.
All of them
So
are
the packing
branded
is ongoing
RGB
process.
mouse. We got a lot of stuff. I will post all of them one by one, but for now, the deal is on for this wireless gaming mouse. The deal is for this mouse right now. 5,000, 2,000 gone, 3,000 left.
Combine two cards into one.
5,000 stock, 2,000 gone, 3,000 left, guys.
Alright guys, so
we got
4
colors.
colors here.
This is the blue one.
Welcome to
And
order
it's 6D.
But I tell you, today's